front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth right away. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Quick tip: if you wanna connect to another smartphone or a tablet, you will have to accept connection request manually on the second device. Just something to keep in mind. Anyway, tap on any of available devices. Click on this icon next to also allow access to contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and then tap on pair at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, use this gear right next to connected device. Tap on Connect if you wanna reconnect now. Operate those two switches to switch on or off available features. Or hit Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!